Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be testing all of these cool vehicles on, well, these pits. So, obviously, we're going to test it. How about the supercar first? Yeah, that seems like a good idea. We're falling! Oh my gosh! I'm gonna be honest with you, that was a little anticlimactic. Here we go! Oh my gosh, he's cooked. He's cooked. Wait, is he alive? Oh my... Yo, he's fine. Okay, get it lined up. Alright. Let's see how many it went through. Oh! Oh my... Oh, wow. And then see if, like, something on the other side can, like, survive it. So we're gonna put a little guy back here. And then we're gonna have this full on this one. Oh, that's too... That's a lot. No one survived that. Actually, it looks like they ducked. This is the highest quality materials ever. Nice and perfect repair. You couldn't even tell anything happened. Alright, let's launch this thing again. Just do it like this. I missed. Oh. Did I mean, like, if you hit them through the window, though. Okay, how about... Oh, wait. That can just pop the tires. Oh, shut that. It doesn't get through the doors easily, though. What about Glier's, explosion? Oh. It just melts the back of the car. Oh, it just melted the back of the car. It just melted the back of the car. Oh, ow. That's like molten. It literally melted the back of this vehicle. What?